Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, just go to display option. After that scroll down again and here you can see screen zoom, then just tap here and that's it. Now from here you can zoom in or zoom out your screen. If you want to zoom in your screen, just tap on this plus icon and that's it. You can see it's changed successfully. On the other hand, if you want to zoom out your screen, just tap on this minus icon and you can see it's zoom out successfully. Now if you cannot find this option here, just go back, then scroll all the way down, go to accessibility. After that go to vision enhancements and then scroll all the way down and that's it. You can also find screen zoom option on the accessibility and you can also zoom in or zoom out your screen from here. And that is how you can change screen zoom in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.